To add card on Google Pay. Want to pay with your phone? Let's add a card to Google Pay step by step. So open the Google Wallet app or the Google Wallet website into your device. Make sure that you have enabled NFC for tap to pay if you're using your mobile phone. Now you can scan your card using your phone's camera or enter the details manually. Card number, expiration date, and CVV. Now if you're using your laptop or PC to add a card, simply click on this add payment method button and that will take you here. So in here you need to enter your card number, expiry month and year, CVC, your cardholder name, and the billing address that you've registered for that card. Now tap the Save button to continue and accept your bank's terms. Your bank may ask you to verify with an SMS code, email, or app notification. Once verified, your card is added. You can now use Google Pay for tap to pay in stores and online purchases wherever Google Pay is accepted. And that is how to add card on Google Pay.